Okay, so we got a quick movie haul from Walmart, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I picked up some movies from Walmart. They were all $9.97 and they're all 4K, other than the Resident Evil. This one was $14. All these movies are normally about $29.97, but they were all on sale. River Runs Red. This comes with the 4K Ultra and the Blu-ray. It does not come with a digital. The Robin Hood with Jamie Foxx, 4K Blu-ray and digital. Hacksaw Ridge I picked up. It's 4K Blu-ray and digital. I picked up Deepwater Horizon, which is 4K Blu-ray and digital as well. And then I picked up the Resident Evil The Final Chapter. I think this came out, from what I read, in 2017. The last one I got was Afterlife. So this one I think is newer than Afterlife, if I remember correctly. This one is 4K Ultra and Blu-ray. It does not say digital, but I did get this when I scanned my Walmart receipt. I did get a digital copy of this. It's not a digital copy of 4K though. It's a digital copy of the ultra high def, or the high def, the 1080p model version, which is nice. This one also doesn't have a digital, but when I scanned the receipt, I did not get this in a digital, so it's not a big deal. But let me know down below if you guys have, any of you have seen any of these movies, what you thought of them. By the time that this video posts, I'd probably watched all of these anyways. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the videos. I've heard all of these are good. Deepwater Horizon, I wanted to see, but you know, for $9.97 it's totally better than $30, because if you would have gotten all of these movies, it's $30, $60, $90. It's 120, 90. Yeah, 120. And then it's about $150 worth of movies I bought for, it was like 56 bucks, something like that. 40, 50, yeah, about 56 bucks. But appreciate you guys watching. Leave a comment down below what you guys think of these movies, and we'll start a conversation or whatever in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.